Hi, I'm Jasmine, also known as Moments in Ink, and this object and beautiful 1970s Olympia typewriter and storytelling definitely keeps me alive. I'm a big weirdo. I drive around with a sprout sticking out of my car. I wear ridiculous costumes and hats and things that I make. I'm comfortable being me, but it wasn't always that way. I definitely was trying to fit in to become a mold of somebody when I had extreme rejection and bullying. I feel like I got to a point where I'm like, well, there's nowhere else to go and there's no one else to be except me. And I just put that into my art. Art was my cozy, happy, safe place when I was feeling scared, anxious, depressed. I definitely suffered from a lot of anxiety and depression, and recently I've also been diagnosed with PTSD. My grandma spent a lot of time looking after me when my mum was a single mum working multiple jobs, and she would just let me have a playground of art to explore. The spark started when this was gifted to me, and from there I started writing poetry for strangers. I like the concept of breaking down perfectionism. For me, making mistakes and being comfortable with them was where it all started, because you can't edit on a typewriter really. It not only allows me to be vulnerable and share my art and my love of story writing, it allows people to take a little piece of creativity with them. I want to do a Masters of Counselling and bring well-being and art and creative story writing and poetry together. I see myself helping young people with mental health struggles and challenges in today's current climate. Mental health is huge, and I feel like storytelling and poetry is a really subtle, beautiful but strong way to bring creativity and art into one's psyche and vice versa. ADHD has been a big facet of developing my art, and for people to understand and hopefully relate to, for people in that sort of world. So I dare say, like, art has been a sense of catharsis for my whole life, and it still very much is.